Scene script. Hello there, I'm here to guide you through the maze of IELTS Speaking Test. Today, we'll tackle some typical Part 1 questions, and I'll provide you with example answers to help you get a feel for what could make a band 7.5 response. Let's dive into Part 1. Question 1. Do you work or are you a student? A possible response could be, I'm currently a student studying international relations. It's a fascinating field that really opens up my understanding of the world. Question 2. Is it important to enjoy what you do? You might say, absolutely, enjoying what you do is crucial. It fosters motivation and productivity and enhances overall life satisfaction. Question 3. Do you spend a lot of time with other people when you are at work or study? A possible reply could be, yes, I do. Teamwork is a big part of my studies, and I value the different perspectives and ideas that come from group work. Moving on to question 4. Tell me about your hometown in your country. You might say, my hometown is a vibrant city filled with a mix of historical landmarks and modern architecture. It's a cultural melting pot, and I love its energy. Question 5. Is your hometown a good place to visit? You could respond, yes, it's a great place to visit. It offers a variety of attractions for tourists, from historical sites to culinary delights. Question 6. What would you improve about your hometown? A possible answer might be, while I love my hometown, I think it could benefit from more green spaces. Parks and gardens add to the quality of life for residents and visitors alike. Question 7. How often do you send a letter or email? You might say, I send emails frequently, almost daily for both personal and academic purposes. However, I rarely send traditional letters. And finally, question 8. Do you prefer to write to someone or speak to them on the telephone? You could say, I prefer speaking on the telephone. It's more personal and allows for immediate feedback. Now, let's move to Part 3. I'll provide example answers for these questions as well. Question 1. Is it better to read a book or watch television? A possible response could be, both have their merits. Books stimulate imagination and improve vocabulary, while television provides visual content and can be more relaxing. And so on, providing thoughtful and convincing answers to each question. To wrap up, remember that the key to excelling in the IELTS speaking test is practice, clarity of thought, and well-structured responses. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more lessons. Remember, practice makes perfect.